All right, we got Robert here joining us for another check of your forecast.
Yeah.
There's a lot of events in the area, Robert, so rain's going to kind of be a little hit and miss to affect those.
Yeah, I don't think kind of is in the vocabulary anymore.
It's going to get rain at some point. Right?
Yeah, it's going to be a wet couple of days, unfortunately, folks. Let's get into that. First, we'll start with a look at Fayetteville. And you can see temperatures today weren't too bad, actually outperforming what most of the models were saying. Most models yesterday were stuck in the 70s thinking that that cloud cover would really linger, and it didn't. We got plenty of clear skies, so we got up to 84 today at Drake Field. Average now down to 80 degrees. Look at this record low, 39. That's the first record low in the 30s we've had since the spring. So the signs are that there is some cooler. We're getting into that point of the year. In Fort Smith, we were also on the warm side as well, 85, which is right at average, but a warm morning by 2 degrees. Record last year, and that blisteringly hot summer was 100 degrees 1 year ago. So what a difference a year makes. Still have that lone shower in Scott County, but we're quiet right now. But that will change as we go through the overnight hours. We'll show you that here in a second. But first, our temperatures in northwest Arkansas, mainly upper 60s and lower 70s. About the same thing, mid 70s and a few upper 60s across the River Valley. They were cool today. LeFleur County, Scott County, where they had all that cloud cover and those lingering showers that took forever to get out of the area. Now, as we go through the rest of the night, showers will start to increase from south to north as we go through the rest of the night. Much less coverage than what we had last night, but still, if you get caught under one of these, a brief heavy downpour or two, and that's what we'll deal with for a good part of the morning. And for a good part of the Thursday, actually, is these hit or miss widely scattered showers. But that changes as we get into the second half of the day because a much stronger piece of energy will be sliding through. And this is the piece that will bring us a lot more in the way of heavy rain. There could be some thunderstorms mixed in here as well. And that's our next chance for widespread accumulating rainfall that could lead to flash flooding. Rain could linger into Friday morning as well, into the morning rush on Friday. So it could be a very, very wet Thursday night and into Friday, much like last night was into this morning. And all this rain could pile up. Not counting what we got last night, we could still see an additional 3-4 inches or more through Sunday with several waves of rain that could include our next classic severe weather outbreak. You see SPC boys already highlighting this area for Saturday night and into Sunday, just outside of our area, but I do expect that to kind of fill in as a front will be draped across the region, and we are expecting showers and storms to fire off along that front. 60s tonight for our lows. And temperatures tomorrow with the showers maybe getting into the lower 80s. But you can see in the extended forecast how quickly and how wet it looks over the next couple of days here. Impact days Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and most likely on Sunday. First day of fall will come early in the day on Saturday before it gets nice as we get into the week. River Valley, about the same thing. Plenty of rain chances Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We kick off fall as we get into next week with temperatures right around where they should be with a nice mix of clouds and sunshine. How do the Razorbacks stop the bleeding of their season? All the details with Meredith Mulkey in sports next.